Welcome to Kids Fun Factory. Today we're going to have fun learning shapes. Are you ready? Yay! Look! What do I see? A ball that's round just like me? It's a circle. Can you say circle? Circle! Here's a box. It's a surprise. 4 equal sides, the same in size. It's a square. Can you say square? Square! Now what is this? Yummy pizza. What shape is it? 1, 2, 3 sides. Make it right. It's a triangle. What a sight! Tall and strong. A door we see, 2 sides short and 2 sides long. That makes rectangle. Come along. Rectangle. Wow, a star that shines so bright. And a heart full of love. Shapes are everywhere. Circle, square, triangle too. Rectangle, star, and a heart for you. Learning shapes is fun to do. Now, my friends, we're smart like you. Yay! We have learned shapes today. Don't forget, look around and you'll find shapes everywhere. It's time for goodbye, friends. See you in the next fun video and learn more interesting things. Bye-bye!